Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use if function in Microsoft Excel. So if you want to learn how to use if function in Microsoft Excel, this video will show you how to do it. Here you will see I have created this sheet, sales report. Okay, this is invoice number, this is date, and this is sale amount date wise, this is payment received date wise, and this is outstanding column. Okay, so here I want that sale total sale amount, this is total received payment, and this is here I want to get outstanding amount. Okay, so I want that if I have, here you will see I want that if there is no payment pending, or there is no outstanding, there should be written no outstanding. Okay, and if there is payment pending, so I want to get the number. Okay, so for that you have to use if function in Microsoft Excel. So what you have to do, you have to just click on equals to, then if, okay, then logical test. So here you have to type this sale amount. If this sale amount is equal to this sale amount, then inverted comma, no outstanding. Okay, this should be written, comma. If not, then what happened, then this sale amount minus payment received. And now if I copy this formula to the bottom, you will see, so like this you can use if function. Okay, so if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.